back to McDonald. McDonald at the half wall. Hands it off to Steen. Back to McDonald. Berglund setting up in front. Comes back out. Top for pulling out the most shot blocked by Richards. And I diving Martinez able to clear it all the way back down the ice.
Excellent efforts there on the penalty kill. Richards getting in the shooting lane. He knows exactly where he's supposed to be, down to the inch, and he blocked that shot in Martinez with the extra effort.
Now Pietrangelo sends it in deep. Bouncing puck contested, back out to Braun. 5 seconds remaining in the LA penalty. Green standing up in the LA penalty box. Can't wait to get back out on the ice. He is out there.
Where are you going?
One shot for the St. Louis Blues on that power play. So an excellent penalty kill as the shots are now 17 apiece. But not a whole lot happening in the shots on goal category here.
Well, I think they're finding out just how much better at the penalty kill the Los Angeles Kings are than San Jose was in the first round.
Now here's a chance moving in for a block to he just missed it.
Yes, he had the corner wide open. He just missed.
It's lifted ahead by Crombie, and Scuderi trying to settle it down. Chops it to the near board. Boynoff will hand it off to Scuderi. Now Williams. Justin Williams carries into the blue zone. Hands it off to Kopitar. Cruising in. Gets a shot. Nice save. Made by Elliott. LA player knocked down. That was Dustin Brown at the side of the net. Scuderi steps it across. Boynoff lifts it toward the Blues goal. Deflected high and wide. Now to Scuderi again. Knocked down in front. Picked up by Brown. Brown didn't get all the way through.
Pietrangelo blocked that second one.
Pietrangelo getting some help from Arden and wraps it around about to Scuderi's going.
Come on, clear it out of the frickin' zone.
Williams goes to Boynoff. Boynoff takes it in deep.
Start hitting these guys.
Kopitar angles it off the boards. Williams stands on the left side of the attack. And that's
2-on-1.
What a play by Alec Martinez defensively on that 2-on-1 situation prior to that. St. Louis had a glorious scoring chance.
Watch this,
Great
bro.
penetration. The first chance in the
Right
middle.
there. He hit the whole upper corner of the net wide open. Oh,
Where are you going?
Look at this play by Alec Martinez. His timing was perfect. Jamie Langenbrunner was getting ready to make his play. Martinez surprised him, jumped him, slid across, and took everything away. That's brilliant defense by Martinez. So many times on 2-on-1s we see the defenseman just allow the puck carrier to almost take a free shot on net and just take away the pass. Not so with Martinez there. That was terrific.
Jackman sent it around the far side. Berglund runs into Matt Green. The puck up the near side. Jackman held it in. Chopped away from Jeff Carter. Now back to the line. Jackman again. McDonald.
Oh.
By Berglund. Jackman again. Jonathan Quick. Get live NBC National Game right on your Verizon 4G LTE smartphone with Verizon 4G LTE. NHL Game Center premium. Call ** NHL to download today only from Verizon.
Let's go back to Alec Martinez again. A 2-on-1 is